Harry and Meghan have been busier in courtrooms than a lawyer at Christmas. And honey, the tea is scalding. We're talking security battles, family feuds that make EastEnders look tame, and enough legal letters to wallpaper Frogmore Cottage twice over. So grab your finest china because today we're dissecting the royal legal circus that's got everyone from California to Clarence House absolutely losing their minds. Welcome back to Royal Cookies, where we serve up the juiciest royal gossip with a side of heart-wrenching humanity. Please remember to subscribe and click on the notifications bell icon, so you will be notified whenever we upload new cookies about the British royal family. Let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes, shall we? Because Harry's security battle isn't just about bodyguards. It's about a man who's basically playing chess with the British government while his dad pretends he doesn't exist. And spoiler alert, Harry just got thoroughly checked. Picture this. It's May 2025. Harry's sitting in a London courtroom looking like someone who's just realized they've been arguing with a brick wall for 3 years. The High Court has just told him, in the most polite British way possible, to absolutely jog on with his security demands. The judges basically said his case had more holes than a piece of Swiss cheese at a mouse convention. But here's where it gets absolutely bonkers. Harry claimed this whole security circus caused King Charles to give him the silent treatment. I mean, imagine being so frustrated with your adult son's tantrum that you literally stop taking his calls. Charles has gone full new phone. Who dis? On his own flesh and blood. That's not just royal protocol. That's peak dad energy right there. The kicker. Harry's now devastated, and I'm using his exact words here, that he lost this battle. But plot twist. He's still hoping for reconciliation with the family. It's like burning down someone's house and then asking if you can still come for Sunday roast. The audacity is absolutely breathtaking. And while Harry's playing legal roulette solo, guess who's nowhere to be seen? That's right. Meghan's been avoiding the UK like it's got the plague. Can't say I blame her. Nothing says awkward family dinner like suing your in-laws while demanding taxpayer-funded bodyguards. But wait, because apparently one family feud wasn't enough drama for our California royals. Meghan's got her own legal soap opera brewing. And this one's got more family dysfunction than a Jerry Springer reunion special. Enter Samantha Markle, Meghan's half-sister who's been more persistent than a door-to-door salesman with commitment issues. She's been dragging Meghan through the courts like she's trying to win the world's most awkward sibling rivalry competition. The latest? Samantha's lawyer is basically having a proper meltdown, claiming the judge got it wrong when they dismissed her case. Now, I don't want to throw shade, but when your own family is taking you to court and your husband's family won't answer his calls, maybe it's time for some serious self-reflection? Just saying. But here's the truly delicious part. Royal experts are saying this family circus could completely torpedo any chance Harry has of kissing and making up with William and Charles. Because nothing says I want to rebuild bridges like having your wife's family dragging her through legal proceedings while you're simultaneously suing everyone from here to Timbuktu. It's like trying to plan a peaceful family barbecue while your house is literally on fire. The optics are absolutely catastrophic. Now, if you thought that was enough legal drama for one couple, think again. Because Harry's also been busy settling court cases with News Group newspapers. That's the Sun's publisher for those keeping score at home. And let me tell you, Harry's statement after this settlement was spicier than a vindaloo. He's basically had a proper go at media coverage of his family, and honestly, you've got to admire the man's consistency. He's like a broken record, but instead of repeating a catchy tune, he's stuck on the press is awful and everyone's mean to us. But here's what's absolutely mental. While Harry's out there playing legal whack-a-mole with every newspaper in Britain, there's another legal bombshell ticking away like a time bomb. The Heritage Foundation is still trying to get their grubby little hands on Harry's US visa records, and that court filing deadline is looming like a storm cloud over Montecito. March 6, 2025 was the magic date when Harry's team had to hand over documents with proposed redactions. I mean, imagine having to redact your own visa application. What exactly are they hiding? Did Harry accidentally write professional rebel under occupation? The timing couldn't be more perfect either, because all this visa drama is hanging over Meghan's head just as she's trying to launch whatever her next big project is. It's like trying to throw a dinner party while someone's threatening to serve your dirty laundry as the main course. But wait, there's more. Because apparently, when you're Harry and Meghan, drama follows you like a loyal golden retriever. Harry's charity recently got investigated for harassment claims, and while they found absolutely nothing, which, fair play to them, it's just another PR nightmare in what's becoming a never-ending cycle of controversy. It's like they're collecting legal battles like Pokémon cards at this point. Court case here, investigation there, family feud everywhere. At what point do you look around and think, maybe, just maybe, we're the common denominator here? And let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say, the royal elephant that's refusing to come back to the room. Reports are saying Harry might be making solo trips to London because Meghan's basically treating the UK like it's radioactive. Smart move, honestly. Why walk into a lion's den when you can watch the carnage from the safety of your California mansion? Just when you thought this story couldn't get any juicier, Prince Andrew decides to crash the party. Now, a book called Entitled, and honestly, could there be a more perfect title for this whole mess, is painting Andrew as, well, exactly what we all suspected he was. But apparently, suggesting that Harry might have had a physical altercation with his uncle was a step too far for Team Sussex. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I want to know if you're Team Sophie or if you think I'm seeing green where there's just good fashion sense. If you're obsessed with royal strategy and environmental impact like I am, make sure you're subscribed to Royal Cookies because we're serving up the most sustainable royal content on YouTube. And remember, in a world full of fast fashion and royal scandals, sometimes the most revolutionary thing you can do is wear your values on your sleeve, preferably in a gorgeous shade of green.